Lung 1 is located in the groove between your shoulder joint and your chest, right over here. To find lung 1 on your left side, put your finger in the spot that is in the groove between your chest and your shoulder and just below the collarbone, right about here. Now find a point that is about the width of one thumb below that. Press in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is lung 1. Activate lung 1 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now, find an